Static Selector.
Playing through the broken ankles, man. Never sit down, cause I'ma stand up. Yo, book a ticket to the tropics, cause I'm through with all the shit that I'm living every day. In the mirror saying, why me? Hide my eyes, cause I'm sicking with the image. Abusing marijuana, sipping vintage for the time being. My skill set is very serious, in fact. Spit a wild rap, carve a steak right off the cow's back. Throw it on the grill, I'm cooking in the stew. Same shit that's on the grill, gave me leather for the boot.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see by the image on your screen, we're doing an install today. This Spitfire generic windshield I'm going to put on my DRZ to start the process to make the DRZ look like a T-Sport. Psych, that really isn't what the master plan is. It just kind of turns out that this windshield does kind of look like a T-Sport windshield. But I can say right off the bat, just to do a quick first impression of this kit so far, this windshield does seem like a lot better quality than the windshield that came on that crater fairing. So I can at least say that. I'm not so sure about the hardware they give you. As always, this was like $80, so you can always expect this hardware not to be like top of the line or whatnot, but it's not really, kind of indifferent about it. It doesn't really inspire confidence or anything, but like, you know, you got an $80 kit here, so I think this will be alright. And the instructions don't look too bad. Like I said, it's a pretty simple video, pretty simple install. I just wanted to get something out and show you the before and after, because I think it's going to look pretty sharp. I found some, I didn't come up with this idea. I was lurking on some DRZ forums, and I found a guy that did this. I don't know if it was the exact model Spitfire, but it was a Spitfire like generic windshield, and he kind of threw it on his DRZ, and I was like, whoa, that looks awesome. So the only unknown is that this kit says for 7/8 and 1-inch bars, which is like for cruisers or pretty much any type of bike. I guess you can put this on if it's going to look cool, but it said 7/8 or 1-inch, and on the DRZ I have a fat bar, which is like a little bit bigger than 1 inch. So we're gonna see if that works. If it doesn't, then I'm sure it will. I'm sure really the only thing that's going to happen is that these bolts might not kind of go down as far as they should, but that's not the end of the world. We're going to probably find that out in the install. So without further ado, here's some little montage music, bop, 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 me putting this on, and then we'll get to my after install impressions.
Stand and I'm lying through my teeth though. Asked to swear to God, but in that I don't believe though. My man Stevie Mo playing safety for Toledo. Hustle till my fingers staying cheesy like a Cheeto. Shorty on the bench, pleasure in my PP. Smart crew, TCN, lyrical graffiti. Drug roll precise like a hooker with the dice. Butcher with the knife, you get took it for your life. So much to say, it's so little time, it's shitty. Killer Queens, the borough, New York be the city. Coming crazy out your mouth, or get you split up like a Philly. Running through the maze like I'm Willie, you gotta feel me. I'm moving forward, cause nothing's gonna be the same. Eyes blurry from the smoke, I can't see the lane. Swerving heavy, bottle in my lap. I'm looking for a problem, so I'm modeling the gap. Somebody save me, cause I don't wanna go to jail. I'd rather be up in the mansion for the polo sale. But I'm here, stuck inside my thoughts. I'm trying to have a bag of money stuffed inside my shorts. My life is like a movie, blizzard with the shotty. Hooker house on Ruzy, chilling in the lobby. Yes, I'm living gnarly, the 40 ounce of barley. Open up cigars and fill them with a bunch of Marley. Double cup, pour the house straight from Ruger. Ruger for intruders, hand in hands made by the doulas. Ginger ale and mixed glasses, your style is piss, motherfucker, time to flip the mattress. Kick it.
Phone again, just installed this. Really simple install. Obviously, I didn't show this part assembling the little doohickeys here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I gotta take these stickers off. I gotta take this bug off, which is I don't know, praying mantis or something. Bugs out all over the place out here. It's like 100 degrees. It's kind of miserable. So, but yeah, other than that, I think it came out pretty even. Looks pretty good, I would say. Like I said, give Spitfire a shot if you want like a generic windshield, I guess. I haven't rode with it yet, so let's the verdict's still out on that, but I say so far, pretty good. Everything in my life is Spitfire. Spitfire windshield. I got Spitfire tires. Just fucking spitting hot fire.
Because I spit hot fire. You understand?
My whole life. So that's pretty much it, man. Just a little quick video. Got a windshield on the DRZ. It's a DRZ-T Sport now. So both my bikes got windshields. Bulletproof the whip. And I don't know why I said that, but that's pretty much it. See ya.
My mind is stronger than Marius Puginel's. Obvious to see I'm a star straight off the couch. You rapping with a blouse, you get slapped upside the mouth by the Zangief lookalike. Bronson always cook it right. Spray the vinegar to tighten up a yummy. Smoking got me squinting like the sky's high and sunny. Attachment on the nozzle make the iron fire funny. Never stop until my body diving in a pile of money. I'm moving forward cause nothing's gonna be the same. Eyes blurry from the smoke, I can't see the lane. Swerving heavy, bottle in my lap. I'm looking for a problem, so I'm modeling.
Alright, like I said, that's gonna do it for me tonight. I got the DRZ facing one way, and I got the T-Sport facing the other way. And I'm just in the middle like, what do you want from me?
I like this one. The dog, one dog goes one way and the other dog goes the other way.
One is going east and the other one is going west, so what?
And this guy's saying, what do you want from me? Guy's got a nice head of white hair. Look how beautiful with the dog. It looks the same.
Looks like somebody we know.
I've been blunted since birth. Age 9, mob dudes kept the gun in the purse next to the hairspray. Fuck tomorrow, money coming in the fast way. I'm moving forward cause nothing's gonna be the same. Eyes blurry from the smoke, I can't see the lane. Swerving heavy, bottle in my lap. I'm looking for a problem, so I'm modeling the gap. Somebody save me cause I don't wanna go to jail. I'd rather be up in the mansion for the polo sale. But I'm here, stuck inside my thoughts. I'm trying to have a bag of money stuffed inside my shorts.
We never talked. There was a time when there weren't enough words to say.